Shantou Guocheng Machinery Company. Founded in 2008. Focus on the research, development and manufacturing of filling packaging machines, with over 20 years of technical experience. Got a number of patent certificates. With CNC processing equipment, customized service is provided. Company mainly produces automatic spouting pouch filling capping machine. Production capacity is up to 16,000 bags or hour. Servo filling and capping. Automatic cup filling and sealing machine. Machine can be customized according to different cup sample size. PLC control, adopt international brand parts. Precise filling, good sealing performance. Company will strive to innovate and develop new products to create greater economic benefits and market competitiveness for clients. With a sincere attitude, offer best filling solution for all clients.